Right. So I agree with Jarwin. I think that we're gonna be today. I'll show you why. Stand by. Let's go into my US 30 charts. So, see, I got a couple levels, supply and demand marked off here. This is what we were trading yesterday. I should have stayed up late and caught this 400 point mover. But this, see this zone up here, the red zone I marked off last night, because if we break that, that will put us into, let's go to the 4, it must have been on the 4 hour. That will put us into, you see, let me circle this. We got to think about structure here. This was the last recent high. This was the last recent lower high, right? We had a lower low, lower high, and now lower low, lower high. So if we break this, then technically, I mean, it doesn't have to, but if we do break it, test, and find support there, then it has to turn into a bullish trend. I don't really think we're going to come out of a bearish trend this year at all, really. So I think, I mean, we might pop up and we could come into this next supply zone up here, but it could just be a massive wick showed up on the 4 hour and the daily charts here. So we'll look at the daily real quick and see if we can map out. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. We got a high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and so this will basically be our lower. It should be our lower high. And man, do I hope we go flying through here? Hell yeah. But do I think we're going to? I don't. Look at the Fisher here on the daily. Like, we need to have a cycle on this thing. Like, this thing needs to cycle out. So we could see one of these deals here where we got high, lower high, or lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, or well, actually that's not a lower low, that's a higher low, and then we went into a higher high. And so we could just do one of these deals where it double tops and then continues back into a bearish trend, but we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, I'm definitely watching this area for a short position, watching it for a long position. I mean, just whatever the day gives us. Coming out of the 15-minute here, we're going to be, let's see, what time is it? Yeah, 5 minutes. So we're going to be on the bullish side. If you look at the Fisher, stocks are the same way. Fisher's at the bottom on the 15-minute. 15-minute usually calls it pretty well. We go to the 30-minute here. 30-minute needs to come down. Let's see what I think the 1 hour is the same if I remember right. Yeah, 1 hour needs to come down. 4 hour. 4 hour needs to come down. I'm just judging it off what the Fisher's telling me. So don't bust my balls, and the daily needs to go up. So I think we could probably see a pullback today. Maybe a half day, really. The beginning of the day, and we'll see what happens. I think I'll probably end up watching the 15 or 30 here on the Dow. Nobody probably really cares about Luna. You know, it's dead. It's, you know, not Bitcoin and Ethereum. Get it out of here. Get it out of here. But anyway, let's go back to the main shit. Yeah, I mean, dude, every daily chart that I come across, whether it's Tesla, SPY, Apple, AMD, they all look like the Dow on the daily chart. In reference to they have all hit a demand zone, very heavy demand zone. Amazon hit a very heavy demand zone, and the Fisher is saying we need to come up. And I think it needs to cycle through. Does it have to happen? No. But the 4 hour has already fully cycled, so it technically needs a pullback. So we can recycle that and then continue to move higher if we're going to move higher. But that wick on that SPY, you see that, Mamba? You see that bagger? Need to pay attention to that. Pay attention to that. Okay, I thought the inspiring music was gonna do it for me, but you know it's really not. Let's see dark. I'm in a dark mood, you know, just dark. Let's see what we got. Probably not, you know, probably not. Yes, sir. Yeah, you see that wick. It's a battle. The battle is about to start. Dun 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 dun. It's the battle. We must not have our pre-market after hours predictions turned on. Nope. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, there she is. There she is. Look out. Yeah, that's not good trade music, you know? Sad. Epic. I guess we can go epic. There's an angry, intense, energetic section. I'm hoping that YouTube doesn't boot us for playing this royalty-free music. Clowns. Alright, that'll work. Is the music too loud, too quiet? What's going on out there? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, Jimmy? What's going on? Zero dark 30 in 3, 2, 1. All right. Let's see what we got out of the gate here. Here I come. Let's get the stuff primed and ready. Nice engulfing candle out of Tesla here to the top side. Let's go, Tessie. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. Go for 800. Go for 800. Weak. Yeah, they all those discount stores and home stores and stuff just went massive bull run when everything else was dying. So keep an eye on them. I love trading Dollar General, bro. I've made some good money on DG. Got an engulfing here on the Dow. 15-minute engulfing on the SPY. We're not quite engulfing on Apple yet. And we're not engulfing on Tesla. So keep an eye out, baby. Keep an eye out. See what happens here. Let's see what happens. Man, I really want to short the Dow right now, but I hate getting in this close to the open. Sheesh, what you got, mama? Yeah, big engulfing on the Dow to the downside. Same on SPY. Yeah, SPY must not have the extended hours predictions on either. Yeah, there we go. Come on, baby. Show us what you want. Show us what you want. What you want, baby? What you want? Da, 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 da. Hell yeah, mama. Good engulfing candle so far on Tesla. Let's see if they can actually stick it this time. It's gonna try to, in 15 minutes, trying to break through the 200 and pre-market high at the same time, plus the supply zone. Chances are it's not getting through that. Apple's pushing. Apple's pushing good. Got that nice bull signal, and the pre-market still riding through. Apple's breaking above pre-market high. Can it carry the market with it? We do have some news today. Some FOMC clowns. Let's see what we got. Tuesday, May 17th, right? Yep. Alright. FOMC Bullard speaks at 8 a.m. So, I'm not sure if this is New York time or my time. If it's my time or New York time, it should be going off either way right now. At 8:30. Okay, so this has already happened. Okay, so core retail sales was up. Retail sales, whatever that is actually red. Capacity utilization rate, whatever that is, up. Industrial production up. Right on. Right on. Apple getting pulled back here, back below the pre-market high. Tesla struggling at all that rejection up there. It's gonna have a hard time getting above that. You got a supply zone, you got the 200 EMA on the 15-minute, and you have the pre-market high all in the same area at 754. Rough. If it blows through it, I'm gonna be very shocked. Very, very shocked. Yeah, good job on that, Mamba. Good job, man. Apple pulling back here. Tesla pulling back here. What are they gonna do, George? What are they gonna do? Nice engulfing red on the Dow here. Bum, bum, bum. So I think we'll sell off probably either for the first part of the morning or the day. That could give us the pullback we need to overall move higher for the week. Yeah, big red on the Dow. Man, I don't want to chase this, but I you know. FOMC. FOMC. Yeah, I really don't want to chase it, but I'll chill. I'll sit back. There's always gonna be another setup. No chasing. No chasing. No chasing, baby. No chasing. Look for a setup around 10:30, 11 a.m. New York time. It'll be a solid setup. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. They're fighting for it right here on Tesla. And SPY and Apple and SPY right now are fighting for VWAP. SPY really, I mean, it didn't even make an attempt here very well to get over all this right here. So, I mean, it failed miserably if that was an attempt. Failed miserably. Call me Wreck-It Ralph, son. Call me Wreck-It Ralph. Let's see. Damn it, Mamba. Them fucking swings were paying, weren't they? Damn, man. Good job, dude. Good job. Scott, what's up, man? What's up? I just, I got some targets on Amazon, but I don't think we're going to reach them today. Let's see if I still got it pulled up here. Apple, DG, Amazon. Here we are. Alright, so, see our fish are crossed. We hit a demand zone. And let's see. You probably see this demand zone better on the weekly. Let's check the weekly real quick. Hit the weekly. You see this big demand zone over here. Big demand zone. Was supply turned into demand, right? You see this area here, which is where I'm getting that first target from on Amazon. Right here. And we're coming up on the bottom side of it right now. Weekly Fisher is down there. Here's the daily. This is that first target. You see me label it TP1 here. Like I said, I don't think we're going to get there today. It might. I mean, Amazon could just go the other direction from everything else, but let's peep the 4 hour real quick. And we'll, let me see what Vision says on Scalper 2. Scalper 2 had a nice bull signal down here on that engulfing candle right there. Beautiful bull signal on the engulfing green. That's the signals we look for. We don't look for signals in the middle. I heard a great term the other day. It says don't diddle in the middle. Don't diddle in the middle. Great term. So this is kind of like my quick analysis on Amazon. So that's what we're looking at. 4 hour needs a pullback. 1 hour needs a pullback. We probably pull back into this 2212 level right here. We'll probably see a good pullback into this 2212. If we pull back into this 2212 and we see kind of support holding up here, wait for that engulfing candle to pop up on the 1 hour 30-minute time frame, and that's a full-on let her eat for sure. So that's what I'm looking at on Amazon. Back to the show. Russian is scam project. Right on, man. Been studying. Hell yeah, Scott. That's all it is, man. That's all it is. Learn more every day. A little bit every day. A little bit every day. No problem, man. There goes Tesla, he says. Yeah, she's trying. I just don't know if it's going to stick, you know? I hope it does. I love Tesla. I want it to fly to the moon. But it sure is going to be a lot of selling pressure here. especially with SPY being down like this so far in the morning, and Apple struggling to get above that pre-market high. The Dow's pulling. On the 15-minute time frame here, Dow is kind of touching off on the 50 EMA. XAU, do I do XAU? I haven't traded it yet, but one time just to test it out and see how it does. And I'm not finished like charting it out, so we'll see. I'm going to trade it. I got some key levels here, supply and demand marked out on the daily 4 hour. I really plan to probably trade this on the 4 hour. This and GJ, man. Like, this is easy, so easy, such easy money right here. And then GJ is like stupid easy money. Like, look at this shit. I mean, this is just dumb money right here. I mean, you just trade the supply and demand. Boom. Where's your next target? I mean, where's your target? Supply. Okay. Rock and roll. You know, I don't think yeah, I guess I did mark out Apple. Supply and demand areas. Yeah, same thing here on Apple. Like, we mark out our supply and demand, and then let's see what Vision says on the 4 hour. I'm a 4 hour person, and so boom, there's a bull signal right there on that engulfing green candle. Fisher flipped. I mean, hello. Where's our target? Supply. Easy money, baby. Easy money. And then Dollar General, boy, I'm waiting. I'm waiting on Dollar General to find some support somewhere. I'm telling you guys, if you've never traded Dollar General, it's cheap. And when those contracts start rolling into profit, man, sheesh. I got NAS 100 SPX. I'm gonna be trading it. I mean, US 30 is my main trader, but we'll see if I find some time to swing some of that other stuff. SPY going to 410 today, Mama says. 410, yeah, I could do it. Easy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Absolutely. It could. Yeah, see Tesla. Like I said, there's big supply area here. I'll show you guys how I found that. I don't know if I showed you guys yesterday. Like when I'm day trading, I'm looking at like supply demand areas, not necessarily on the big time frames. Like I am sure I'll take those into account first, but then when I come down here, I want to find intraday where supply and demand was hitting. Down here, back down to here, back up to here, which is the same level over here, back up here, which was resistance, same level over here. So these levels are going to keep hitting until we get into like a new range, which, you know, we're not going to be in a new range, because if we just look all the way left, you know, what, from a year, 2 years ago, these supply demand areas will be over there, and they'll show us exactly where they're supposed to be. So yep. And then of course you got Vision SNR, which you can slap on the chart. I got it all in black lines right now because I've been using that gray background. But this is why I say, like, it's going to be a struggle bus for Tesla to get over where it's at right now, because we have big supply here. We popped up above it there for a little bit, but then eventually it broke back below it. And then all right here we have the 200 EMA on the 15 minute, which is a massive time frame for intraday traders. We have the supply zone, and we have pre-market high. I mean, I'm not a gambling man, but if I was going to go short on something, buy puts, no advice. No advice. But I'd want to make sure, like, we lock in a good either engulfing green or engulfing red candle, or like a bearish variation. But I mean, you'll be able to tell real quick if she gonna head down more. And first target would probably be this area down here, pre-market lows, somewhere in this area. It's always gonna be a zone, not a specific price. Thanks, John Doe, Thank you, brother. Just got an XPX YOLO call. They're at $4,500 for $5. Damn, that's cheap. Expiration Thursday. This is how it's like all year. If you guys haven't noticed, this is how out of the gate has been all year long, where it just sits here and chops for like the first hour usually, and then we might see some direction, which I understand, but we're setting up in that engulfing red here on Tesla. This current red, I mean, if you didn't get in on the engulfing here on SPY, you got this engulfing the previous red, so that's clean with a bear signal popping up on it from Vision there. If you guys don't know what Vision is the one that's popping these bull signals and bear signals. Those are the trade predictions that are popping up here on the screen. That's from Vision. A link is in the description. We don't have it on Tesla. What we doing, boys? What we doing? Let's see if this will, yeah, still give us that. Okay. Not enough meat to flip it yet, huh? Yeah, there she is. I knew there was going to be a bear signal somewhere on this sucker. Yeah, so if we look at the 5 minute here, we've got 3 greens right here. And then we got 1 minute and 10 seconds left on this 5 minute candle. I'm assuming it's going to probably stay about this size, which is a nice red engulfing candle. And hopefully we can see a bigger move to the downside. They're trying to save it. Trying to save it. Triple H, I chart them all myself. We have Vision that will chart support and resistance for you. That indicator's free. If you go to indicators, type in Vision S and R. Let's see, S. Just type in Vision space S. Vision S and R. It's a free indicator on TradingView. It'll chart out all your support and resistance for you. Let me go to a gray chart so you can see it, because I have it. Let's see. I'll hide my drawings and turn on SNR so you can see it draws these black lines in here. When you put it on your chart, they won't be black, so don't worry. I changed mine black because I've just recently started using this gray background, which I like the lighter background, I think, a lot. But they'll be colored, and so your resistance will be red, support will be green, and then if it's testing and going through one of those levels, then it'll turn yellow. So that indicator's free. Check this out. You want to see how clean AMD is? Sheesh. Sheesh. Nice bull signal following some engulfing candles down here off of the demand zone. Let's go. Let's go back over here, see what Tesla's doing. That dirty little beach. That dirty little beach. That's why I like the 15-minute, man. But overall, the 5 minute right here, the Fishers crossed over very high, ready to come down. I'm assuming the 30-minute probably showing the same thing, yeah. 1 hour. Yeah. We'll see what happens. We got basically 9 minutes left on these 15-minute candles. You have the SNR. Is the music too loud, too quiet? What's up? What do you got? What do you got? What do you know, man? What do you know? Never. Mama, you're always talking shit. I love it. Trying to pull Tesla back up there. Come on, baby. Look, I want it to go up just as much as you guys. But I do like a quality putt. You know, I'm not against the putts. Definitely not against the putts. Nice engulfing candles on Spy and Apple, though. Very nice, very nice. Russell in the Discord says 300% on his Walmart puts. Hell yeah, Russell. Get you some. Okay, music. Okay. Let's go. Coffee. Mix up the coffee. Mix up the coffee. My music question. Hey, thanks guys for hitting that like button. You're my favorite people who ever hit it. I can't say so much for people that don't hit the like button. Thanks guys for hitting that like button. You're my favorite people who ever hit it. I can't say so much for people that don't hit the like button. Na, 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 na. Johnny the house elf. I think I don't recognize that last name. It shows that the buyers are stronger than the sellers. Or I mean, that's if we're looking for a long trade, right? So let's see. Let's go to my US 30 chart. So I entered last night, which I don't really like to do because, okay, so you can see these different colored zones on not my yellow horizontal levels, that's supply and demand, but the green, the ugly brown, and the pink, those are sessions. And so this is London session, good volume, we can trade there. This is what is considered overlap, which is, okay, so the pink area is New York session, amazing volume, we definitely want to trade there. So where that kind of ugly brown is where they kind of overlap each other, that's the best volume, we always want to trade there. So here in the middle, that's shit. That's, you know, kind of middle of the evening, late at night. We don't really want to trade there. But I seen this great engulfing candle with a bull signal pop up on a demand zone. I mean, this ain't like a big demand zone, but it's been a very good supply and demand zone that's been respected pretty well. So I entered a trade there, just looking for 100 points last night, and hit it. That engulfing candle shows that the buyers are now overtaking the sellers, if that makes sense. And we're gonna be doing like a course deal. It's gonna be free, of course, but Vision members will have first access to that course. And I think what we're gonna do is do some live streams once or twice a week in the evening time on YouTube, and it'll be like private. For Vision subscribers only, right? And so we'll give the link out to the live stream in the Discord, somewhere in the subscriber section. And it's going to be a free course and everything later on when we actually compile everything together, compile all the live streams together, and then put it out there for everybody to watch and learn. It's going to be 100% free, but if somebody wants to view the course before, I mean, we're probably talking, it's going to be a big course. I'm going to try to make it at least like a 100-part deal. Like, I want to go over as much stuff as I know, and don't, like, believe me, I don't know everything. I was just talking about yesterday how I'm constantly learning stuff. Man, I've been staying up till 3, 4, 5 a.m. learning new stuff, just trying to get better. And then I always, if you guys been around for a while, you know I always pass that on to you guys. So Vision subscribers will have kind of first access to it, and you'll be able to ask questions during the live stream. And then, of course, like I said, we're going to compile all those live streams together towards the end of the year, put them on the website in order, of course, of which way you should go, what you should learn first. Reading candles is a big thing. Big thing. So, like, I mean, you see, like, right here, this set of candles. This candle right here it made a higher low, and then these made higher lows, and this made higher low, and this made a higher low. And it wasn't until this single red candle here, after we hit the supply zone, that it finally made a lower low than the previous candle. That's the type of stuff you need to pay attention to. You want to pay attention to where every candle's high and low is, every candle, on whatever time frame you're watching. And then you want to pay attention to where the body opens and closes. Because you notice at the end of every candle, whether it's a 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, at the end of it, you'll see the countdown at the last, anywhere from, I would say, under 20 seconds. You'll notice it just starts to push, either whether it's a green candle or a red candle, it just starts to push real hard sometimes. That's because they're trying to get it to close above a moving average, a support resistance level. They're trying to get it to close there, so it shows on the chart to everybody, hey, we closed it above this level, and so now, okay, we closed above this resistance, so they're going to expect other buyers to step in since it closed above that resistance. So every single candle matters to me, and I think it really should to everybody. You know, it's just, so an engulfing candle just shows one side is stronger than the other. Is a simple way to put it. Mama hit the dislike, huh? Okay, alright, motherfucker. Count Renato in, hell yeah. Yeah, typical chop session here. Right off the open. This is what I think made my rule of just not being in the open within the first. It was 30 minutes, you know, but now I give it a good hour, like, or at least until I see it not chopping around, because this stuff is stupid. Here's a good little deal. So we see Tesla get rejected by supply, 200 EMA, and pre-market high, right? And we got about 30 minutes of rejection here. You know, the market's been open 30 minutes with these two candles, the first green, the first red here. So that's 30 minutes of rejection to me. So, oh, you guys, my bad, can't see the chart. I gotta remember. Okay, so right here on Tesla, left side of the screen, left side of the chart, you got a red 15-minute or green 15-minute candle out of the gate, red 15-minute candle after it. So to me, that's 30 minutes of rejection. 200 EMA, pre-market high, supply, right? You have three confluences right there of why you should go short, in my opinion. Even if it's going to be, like, even if you take a loss here, like, that's what you have to do when you trade. You have to take the risk. If you're not willing to take the risk, you're not going to make any money. So we got three confluences. So this is where, like, Vision subscribers can go in here to Discord. Go to the option signals. Actually, we can go to Discord scene right here, right? Yep, there we go. So you can go to the option signals. Now I go up here to the top right and type in Tesla. If it'll load, my internet's probably trash this morning. And the recent, you know what? Let me see if I can get this to. Are we locked right now? Yeah. Okay. So let me move this around. I think it's this one. Yeah. Okay. Let me move this around, and then I'll. There we go. So I type in TSLA, the ticker, up here in the search bar top right of the Discord, and now I can search through here. Oop, wrong one. I can search through here. What's the recent? Okay, so these are our option signals for everybody that doesn't know. So we have calls here, calls here, calls here, calls here, and this is 8:56 a.m., 8:56 a.m., 8:56 a.m., 8:56 a.m. again. One red. That means we got one put signal from unusual options activity on the put side. Calls again, puts at 8:54 a.m. And so this is Central Time, by the way. So this would be 9:54 New York time. So in my opinion, like the calls right now are outweighing the puts. I mean, and like what I'll do is sometimes up here in the search bar, hit your cursor up there and hit enter, and I'll just refresh it. So 9:03 a.m. calls. So these are unusual options activity signals. And so you can just, and of course you can go scroll like the whole list, but there's a lot of them when you scroll all the way down here. And so Palantir, Snap put signals. And there's QCOM, call signals. And you don't just want to take these blindly. Like you want to go to the chart and see what it's telling you, of course. But here's a Tesla put signal here. So as we're coming back up to that 200 EMA, the pre-market high, and the supply zone, here comes put signals coming through. Apple calls right here, basically at the pre-market low. Makes sense, right? Okay, let's see what, it's just like that, baby. Just like that. Back to it. I don't know anything about Luna, man. I mean, it's probably garbage. If it's not Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Doge, get it out of here. Get it out of here. Yeah, DG, man. Man. Love Dollar General. That is a money-making fool. There's some SPY put signals coming in the Discord. By the way, if you guys want to get like the premium side of the Discord, the link to the site is in the description. If you don't get vision signals, the Discord's $20. Cheap as hell. You know how much it costs you to go get this stuff from Benzinga? Like $150 plus. Because we got the Benzinga news, option signals, why it's moving, news articles. Like, I mean, you'd be paying probably around $200 a month just to have that. And we give it to all our subscribers, $20 in our Discord. And plus, we got a lot more than that. We got dark pool stuff, insider trades, stock breakouts, analyst grades, social spikes, crypto breakouts, crypto signals, swing trading signals, day trading scanners, crypto signals, why it's moving, crypto news, news picks, trade ideas, option sweeps, option signals, tradie flow. I mean, the list goes on. We provide our subscribers with the most value ever. And then if you want vision signals, that comes with the Discord, like just included in there. But anyway, links in the description for that. I figured I'd just blab since we're just waiting for the market to actually fucking pick a direction. Excuse my my Spanish. Triple H, I will not actually, because that's going to be in the core stuff, So I'm just kind of trying to save that for when we do those videos. But you're definitely gonna want to watch them. I can promise you that. And if you missed it, the course deal is gonna be free, but Vision subscribers are gonna get like to ask questions live when we go live and do the videos. Because I'm not good with pre-recorded videos. Pre-recorded videos trying to talk here to the camera when there's nobody on the other side of it, very awkward for me. Very awkward. But when it's live and I actually know that people can hear me and I'm not just talking back to myself, well, bueno. Muy bueno. Alright, so here we come. We got Apple coming into little supply zone. Or a demand. It's going to be a demand zone since we're on the top side of it now. We'll see what happens here. Beautiful bear signal off the top up there, pre-market high. Like you get this red candle. See, okay, so we got the Fisher up here, kind of pinching together, right? We got that big rejection at pre-market high. Pre-market high and low levels are very, very heavy levels right off the open. They're great levels to take trades on. Followed by a nice red candle started to set up. Like I would have jumped in immediately on that candle. I wouldn't have waited for that to close for sure. I might have jumped in on the rejection or pre-market high, but it's just a little too close to the open for me. But if you like to trade the open, beautiful setup there with the bear signal to follow from Vision. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Chopping up, chopping up. I do think Apple could come to test this 200 EMA on the 15-minute. Yeah, all you guys that like to trade like AMC and GME. Once I show you how to chart the supply and demand zones, the other day how how AMC had kind of the push up and everybody's like, oh, it's going again, it's gonna squeeze again. It just hit a demand zone. Like, don't think that AMC and GME still aren't playing technicals just because they're meme stocks. Like, they're playing technicals 100%. Got another Tesla, two Tesla put signal sweeps, 745 strike and 740 strike. Volume was 4,700 on that one and 3,700 on the other, followed by Peloton put 27 strike. We got another Tesla put for 740 strike, Airbnb put for 90 strike, SPY put for 405 strike. So the puts are rolling in, people. The puts are rolling in. I might grab a short here on the Dow then, since we're Costco put 490 strike. I don't know that ticker, so I'm not going to mention it. Don't know that. Oh, Las Vegas Sands 33 call. Yeah, we're gonna size in small here on the Dow. We'll come here, throw a stop in 32,540. Actually, we'll give us a little room here. Let's go, baby. Up 10 points, 12 points. Let's go. SQQQ calls. SQ calls, 55 strike. I heard somebody talking about Datadog the other day. They got a put signal here for 90 strike. $90 strike. Fist pump, baby, fist pump. Can we break the pre-market lows? Dollar Tree put 145 strike. Citigroup call 25 strike. Tesla put 735 strike. Yeah, so the Tesla puts are flying in now. See how we came back up, tested the supply, the 200 EMA, the pre-market high again on this third 15-minute candle. What an entry that would have been. Because the chart tells us we need to go down, man. Nike calls 135 strike. These aren't. I'm not calling out trades here. I'm just saying like what these unusual options activities are doing. We got AMD call coming in for $100 strike, but the expiration matters too. So the expiration on this is 5/27 on the AMD. So somebody's buying up some United States Steel ticker X puts, $29 strike for 9/16/22. So that's September. They pushed it out. 5/20 expiration, 7/50 strike put on Tesla. Amazon put 22.40 for the 5/20 strike. More puts coming in on Dollar Tree. Puts coming in on Google. Can't even get a drink of coffee. These people just keep on pushing. Spy call 397 for a September 30 strike. So they're working on holding those probably for a little bit. I mean, it's a hell of a buying opportunity if you ask me. Costco puts for 6/24 strike, 495. Apple puts flying in. Rivian puts flying in. No surprise there. Wayfair puts flying in. Sheesh. More Tesla puts coming in. 750 strike for 520. Disney puts coming in 135 strike for 10/21 expiration, huh? Disney's turning into a trash company. Like, let's just be honest. They're just man, a company should never get into political issues. Like, you can have your opinions behind the scenes and everything, okay, but you should just never. Look at that. Apple come down, almost touched the 200 EMA like I was talking about. Beautiful. Anyway, you asked why I was in our Discord. We have these put signals, call signals, just option signals, unusual options activity that comes in. We pay for it so our subscribers don't have to. I actually need to shrink this back up. Whoa! That deal was tweaking out, wasn't it? Yeah, I think like I was saying this morning, I think like the first part of the day, I think we'll kind of head down and we possibly could see the back half. You know, have a nice ride. Spy calls coming in, 397 strike, 930 expiration, so that really doesn't help us today, most likely. More spies for 518, 405 strike. They trying to push it up again. There's the old general chat there. What? Oh, my deal minimized. My bad. I was wondering what happened there. A bit of indecision here. Check back on this these news here. Okay, so business inventories was red. NAHB housing market index was red. Forecast was 75. Actual was 69. 1 p.m. we have Federal Chair Powell speaking. He's typically bullish, but I heard something about how he got how he got reelected, so now he might actually end up uh, being bearish slash hawkish. So I don't know. We'll see. I don't like to trade through the news anyway. I mean, it's just gambling, really. Yeah, so let me look at the chart here. Okay, so got a little bit of that resistance there. I'm gonna loosen up my stop a little bit. Couple points here. We'll go 560. Yeah, 560. Might have got whacked right there. I don't know. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Be right back. Be right back. Be right back. I'm back, baby. I'm back, and I see my short should be up like a motherfucker right now. Holy. Let's go. Hell yeah. Walk away from the charts. Let it play out. Welcome, Renato, man. Welcome. Let us know if you need anything, man. Let us know if you need anything. We got you, brother. Prophet J. Yeah, Mark is still just gonna. I mean, honestly, we might chop around until Cash says 2 p.m. Eastern is when the feds will start talking. So we could chop around until then. I've seen it happen. It won't surprise me at all. Talk about annoying. Rookie, you in the live stream right now? Here we go. Now we're pulling, baby. Now the Dow's starting to pull a little bit. Now we're coming. Look at this. Somebody look at this. Somebody come look at this. Let's show you guys these signals right here. From Vision. Look at this, boy. Come on, look at this. Somebody come look at this. At a supply level. At that breakage structure, like I was saying, that was going to be a strong level. At a supply level. Nice engulfing red. You know, even up here at the top, which, you know, I don't know if you guys were up this early or not. A bullish or bearish variation, sorry. Which is basically 2 or more candles put together to make an engulfing, which it's not a prime setup, but they do work. I mean, it could be an entry, you know. You had Fisher very high here, flipped over. We know we're at supply. We know that this level up here was basically the level of, hey, if it breaks this structure point on the higher time frames, 4-hour daily, you know, that's breaking the previous high basically. So, you know, if they want to keep it in a bearish trend, they got to keep it below that. And that's exactly what supply is. Supply is they think price is too high. We need to shove it back down. So if we waited here, we had another test of this level, bear signal on the engulfing red candle, which is what I got into earlier, and I just took profit right here at this trend line. Right here, baby. Took about 75 points there. So, Vision, man, Vision. I got in at the close of that candle. Great trade. Great trade. Do I think we can go lower? Yeah, I think we could. if we come down here for that 15-minute 200 EMA, we'll probably end up touching off here again, where it would look to come back up here, test this again, and we could chop in between this for the rest of the day. If you guys want vision, the link is in the description. Let's go back to the main. So we're at these demand levels on all three of these. Let's see if we can hold up. Renato, I'm not sure if you logged out or not, bud. That, it won't tell me that. It will not tell me that. Rookie said there's a bear signal popping up on the 15-minute for NAS 100. AKA the NASDAQ. AKA tech stocks. What are you guys trading today? Talk to me. Talk to me. Are you waiting? Waiting for some direction here? Or further direction, I should say. Waiting for the market to show you which way she want to go. I don't blame you. I'm kind of waiting for the same thing too. I mean, I took that one short trade, but that was pretty obvious where it was going. Back to that trend line. Like I said, I think we could go lower, but we might chop around until the Feds start talking, just so there's room, you know. Like, 'cause if we hang out in the middle, there's room to go up, there's room to go down, and we won't really break levels that we're not supposed to if we hang out in the middle. If you think about it, you know. We'll see. I mean, we got quite a few hours before before they start talking. I think she said 2 p.m. Eastern, New York time. So we'll see. I'll light a candle. Get some ambiance going, you know, with our epic music. Oh, you know what? I need to check my email and make sure. That's not what I want to burn. Whoops. Sorry about that microphone cord. My bag. Up 180. Hell yeah, Doug. Get some, man. Get some. Let me check my email just to make sure. YouTube's not working on booting us again today. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Let's go. See. I mean, they just. Yeah. Got Dow trying to break that trend line. Can it do it? Maybe. Maybe. Trade. I feel like I'm chasing. Maybe. Yeah, it's about 11 a.m. New York time. 11 a.m. a lot of times, I don't know if it's because it's lunchtime and big money kind of steps away. And so retail and all the smaller guys can, most of them obviously go long. And so usually at 11 a.m. New York time, a lot of times you see a push upward. And so we're coming in, let's see, we got about 20 minutes until then. So I'm going to hold off. I'm going to hold off any more trades until 11 a.m. Tesla nearing in on what could be considered pre-market low of this wick here. And busted right through it. Okay, let's we think Tesla's going to fill this gap from pre-market here? Here to here? Got that gap right there, huh? Gaps to be filled, maybe? Maybe. We'll see. We shall see. He says, if we go green. I'm just going to call you day. I don't think this candle will go green. Possibly the next. We'll see where this one ends up, though. We'll see where this one ends up. They're trying to push it lower. Makes sense. Let's go. Oh, turn around a big candle on Apple. Look out, baby. Going for that pre-market low. Let's see if we can get a touch off on that pre-market low there. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Acid kick, man. I don't think anybody's following or falling for these fake rallies. In retrospect, the past few days, including a couple days from last week, just a pullback to do another higher or to do another lower high, until we break the high, the previous high. So, I mean, I hope you're not coming in here calling people from this stream idiots. That comment sounds pretty idiotic. So maybe somebody else just got wrecked. What? No, yeah, that's kind of what I was explaining this morning. You know, until like we were looking at the Dow, and that's why I grabbed that short. I was confident in it. That's why I said right here off the gate we're probably going to go down, because we're at that point in a lot of these names where if we go higher than what they put in today, then we would have broke, you know, a lot of the lower highs on the daily chart and the 4-hour charts. So if they want to keep it into a bear market, which they most likely will, then they need to make sure those lower highs are respected. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, man. I feel you there. There's a lot of YouTube channels out there that are just like, oh, pump this and pump that, and it goes nowhere, and people just lose money. I feel that for sure. Now, I do want Bitcoin to go up, but whoa, whoa, whoa. Dow pulling here a little bit further down. Apple came close to the pre-market low. I think it could still probably actually touch its specific price at 146 or so. Let's see what Vision says that price is. 146.61. Retest of the bottom side of the 200 EMA here on the 15-minute. And big sellers there. Flickety flush. New low day on the Dow there, just ticked in. Same thing with Tesla, SPY. Apple actually holding above the low so far of the day. If we're not, I mean, I'm not including pre-market in that, of course. Dude, if Bitcoin hit 15K, that'd be fucking awesome. That would be awesome. I would load up with so much leverage. You know, like just go open a brand new crypto account with just massive amounts of leverage and just slap a few grand on it. Let her eat, baby. Let her eat. Nice bigger low out of Tesla here. And SPY. Apple's not doing too shabby compared to SPY and Tesla. We're getting a lower wick here on Tesla. I like it. I like it. I do think the Dow's gonna come a little lower before we could possibly see a bounce. So a couple of these probably will as well. I would. I would immediately slap a bunch of leverage on Bitcoin if I seen a bounce coming at 15K. Here's a good candle. Here's a good candle, baby, on Tesla. That's what I like to see. If it closes, it's got to close like this. You can't just jump in on it right away. But this big, massive lower tail like this, beautiful. But it's got to close like that. It's got to close. Showing buyers are strong. Usually the one that follows this is an engulfing candle in the other direction. But it's got to close. I mean, you could call it a hammer. I just call it a nice, strong candle. And it could be a doji too, but a doji isn't as strong as a hammer. There is a nice hammer setting up on the Dow though, so we'll see, baby. We'll see. Let's see what we get today. People next door working on the roof, working on their roof. They're rigging it up. Let me tell you. They are rigging it up. Of course, I'm muted. I was saying there's some nice candles setting up here. But we could just be testing the bottom of this demand. This is kind of like an intraday demand zones, so they're not super strong. And we still have 6.5 minutes left on these 15-minute candles. So we still have a whole 5-minute candle to be put in. Keep on watching, baby. Wait patiently. Wait patiently. Thank you guys again for hitting that like button, man. Thank you guys. Trying to get this stream out there to more people, and that helps. So, of course, it also helps if you guys go and share it on Facebook, Twitter, whatever you got. Whatever you got. What up from India, man? Hell yeah. Love seeing people all the way on the other side of the world join in. Love it. Let's check at how our US 30's looking. We're putting in similar candles to the other markets here. Apple is on the verge of putting in an engulfing candle here. And my cat wants to say hi. What up, Winnie? Hell yeah, Hardeep. You know it, man. You know it. Don't you spill my coffee, we gonna fight. Okay? I don't mind you being up here. You spill my coffee, you die. Just so look, you're gonna learn. Okay? You're gonna learn today. How you guys like that cat butt in your face, huh? I don't think they want to see that. No, don't meow at me. Ain't got no time for that. So I think the Dow, I really think that we're gonna stay bearish. At least for a little bit more. I think so on the Dow. I think we come up, maybe test off on this trend line, and then possibly head. Look, cat. Look. I ain't got no time for you, dog. You're getting too close to my coffee, Winnie. Look, man. Well, just chill, man. You ain't gotta get up on my desk, dude. I think we come up here, test off here, head down to this demand zone where we might see it bounce back up. Know what I mean? I think that's what we got. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, you gonna go? Like, just go on, man. Ain't nobody got time for that. I like dogs better anyway. I'm just being real. No, I like that cat. Renato, I want to say you have to do like a 2-factor like authentication deal on Discord nowadays. I think because they had so much spam over the past couple years. I hear you, cat. That's my microphone. That's my mouse that you just flipped over. Excuse you. I'm talking to you. You better get your face out of my damn coffee, dude. What the hell are you doing trying to drink my shit? Yeah. Straight just tasted my coffee, man. What the hell? What the hell? Anyway, yeah, I think they have. I think you got to do like the 2-factor deal, you know. I think. There, my girl. That's my Bella. That's my dog. Bella, come here. Come say hi. Tell me. No, not in there. No, you want? Okay, right there. Watch my coffee, dog. There's my girl. Yeah. Where's your brothers? Look right here. Right here. Alright, get out. Good girl. That's my dog. A Doberman. I just got 2 smaller Doberman puppies a few months ago. Boys. You know, I've never really been a cat person, but my old lady's got two cats that I like. She actually has more than that. She found some strays and brought them home. I'm not a huge fan of cats, but she has 2. that I like. They're cool, but I like dogs more. So let's go watch. Let's go back over to Apple and stuff real quick. Actually, I need to let my boys, my puppies inside. So we have this nice, so far, bullish variation. Like I was saying, couple candles together at a nice level, creating an engulfing is a bullish or bearish variation. So we'll see where it closes. I mean, we still got 10.5 minutes. So, but Apple looking good, SPY looking good. Tesla's struggling at pre-market low. So, yeah, I like dogs, man. Dow testing that trend line, but I see some rejection at it, so that's nice. Nice to see our levels holding up. Yeah, it's not, not out of the question, Mamba. Not out of the question. I'm going to go let my puppies in real quick and put them up. I'll be back in a few minutes. It's a nice 15-minute candle on Tesla. Can it stick? We got 30 seconds left on these 15-minute candles. On the Dow, we came up, we tested the trend line, and it has failed. It has pulled back away from it a little bit. We'll see what this next candle provides. So you see it came up, tested, and rejected. We'll see. We'll see what happens on this candle here. This candle should give us a little more insight on who's stronger, buyers or sellers. So we're going to see if this candle can tick lower than the low of this candle. That's why I say every candle is important. Every single one. If we tick lower than the low of this previous candle, we likely head lower. Every candle is important. There's lower than the previous candle, so can we start to head lower now? We shall see, we shall see. There's another low compared to the previous candle. Got a lot of green inside the Dow though. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that are red inside the Dow. And there we go. Why is that not showing up? Why is the screen black? Hang on, let me see if I can fix this here. What the hell? Okay. There it is. So the previous candle, it started to tick lower than that low and just lower, lower, lower. Every candle matters.
Yeah, most of these I usually watch on a 15-minute time frame. I'll be right back. How are we looking? Nice candle setup here on Tesla, SPY, and Apple. Question is, can we get through VWAP? See you later, Renato. Have a good night, man. I got long here on the break of this trend line of the Dow. Small size. I'll look to add if we get some good candles in there. Getting some good candles here. Good candles, good candles. SPY crossing through VWAP, got 38 seconds. Hopefully we can get a close above. Apple rejecting VWAP there. Where is my VWAP for Tesla? Nice buyer volume coming in there on Tesla. There we go, crossing through VWAP. 7 seconds to close on these 15-minute candles. There we go, close above. Probably come back to test. Apple crossing through VWAP. Trying. It's getting rejected pretty hard. Right on, right on. Hell yeah, shotgun. Tear him up, man. Tear him up. Tear him up, baby. Tear him up. Yeah, I like it, Hardeep. I like it. Especially with, like, we're trying to come back off this opening drop. you know? Watch him, baby. Watch him. Let's go. You think we going through it, Mamba? You think we going through pre-market? I don't think so. Maybe. I mean, why not? I'm for it. You can send it. Bro, short off that back end. About 440. Shit, we basically got it, man. We going through. I mean, we could double top it here too. Whoa, what's going on there, Jimmy? Mm-hmm. Well, that's what I was talking about earlier. Usually at 11 a.m., you see a push up 9 out of 10 times. 11 a.m., you'll see a push up. It's weird. Something to keep in mind, though. Kind of like the 2 p.m. 2 p.m., we get a push up, too, usually. I mean, it's a hard move in one direction, but a lot of times it's a push up. Just depends on the day. Below red now. Dewey on the 15. Close. It's only one time frame. Supporting us here. 1 hour. Supports are short. 4 hour supports are short. Daily. What is it? Yeah, it's already touched it, Mamba. Sure did right there. Touched off on it and got rejected a little bit. Thank you guys for hitting that like button, man. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, Mamba, right here. 1, 2. Here's your double. Double trouble, baby. Where are we going, boys? Where are we going? Shit, if we knew, we'd all be rich. I mean, I don't know. Now we're getting rejected by the 200 EMA on Tesla. 15 minute. I think I'll take a sell here on the Dow just for a quick one. They're trying to hold it up here at the 200. Don't do me like that, man. Damn right, Doug. Vision, baby. Link in the description. I mean, look at them signals, man. Look at them signals. Look at them. How you gonna deny that? You know? big stick, baby. Come on, Dow. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Big stick on the Dow. I'm looking at the 5 minute here so I can catch that 5 engulfing. Nice stick, baby. Yeah, sellers are strong here. Sellers are strong, baby. This bull or a bear signal is flashing here. Love it, love it, love it. See if we can get one to. Oh, we're still in a bear. Vision just fucking knows, man. It just knows. See if we can get SPY back below VWAP here. Let's see about it. If SPY goes below VWAP, I'm getting good. I'm gonna size into the Dow with a good short. But I mean, it's like we only have 5 tickers. Why does every time I pull this up, the screen goes dark for this? We only have 5 tickers inside the Dow that are red. Walmart, I'm sure is a big player inside the Dow. And it's down like $14.50 for whatever reason. I'm not sure. Does anybody know why Walmart's so freaking red? Salesforce is red. McDonald's is red. Coke is red. Or white. And Home Depot is red. Everything else in the Dow is green. Very green. So, but it's just like if you look at the buyers versus sellers here, the sellers had it all the way from top of London session here into the overlap and just all morning. And you see this push up. I mean, this is not like the push up that we have on Tesla. Tesla's push up is very strong. This is a weak, it's easy to see 300 points back and forth all day on the Dow. This is 155. So, similar to SPY and Apple. Look at SPY and Apple. This is a shit retracement. In fact, if we throw the fibs, it's this retrace. Watch, son. You ready for this? We'll go on SPY here. Boom. Where we at? We topped out at the 618. Yes, we topped out right here, 618, and now we're at the 50% retracement. So we'll see if we can fall below this 50% retracement here. Let's check Apple real quick. Yeah, and look at where Apple's topping out right here and struggling with the 618 retracement. Tell me your boy don't know what he's talking about. Now, if we get above these levels, okay. But, how much really is it going to retrace? This damn magnet. How much really is it going to retrace? You tell me, bruh. You tell me. So I think if we get underneath the 618 levels with the fib, or we stay below, we're already below them, we're rejecting them right now. Apple the most, and in my opinion, Apple controls the market. And then if we get SPY below VWAP, I'm going heavy short on Dow. When I'm looking at your first main VWAP pull up back entry signal, you prefer looking at 5 or 15 pass through on 5, but still decent sway on 15. Honestly, I think 15 holds weight over most, man. 5 minute, if I'm looking for a nice scalp entry or really trying to time an entry very quick, and very, very precise, then I'll look for that first engulfing or first bearish or bullish variation on the 5 minute, but typically I stay on the 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. And then when I'm doing like supply demand levels and stuff, I'm looking at the weekly, sometimes the monthly, but on US 30, the monthly just looks like a straight line up. It looks like that arrow right there behind me. It looks like that. Just, because it's an index. It's a money parker. People park their money there to ride out. So, yeah, I'm 15. If I'm day trading, I like to look at the 15 minute. Rhett, what's up? Mamba, you see this guy? You see this guy? Who's Rhett? Nice to see you, Rhett. Nice to see you, man. Let's watch. We'll see if SPY comes up here to the 618 that I marked off with that white line. See if it rejects. But we got a nice engulfing green candle here on the Dow. But if it still makes a lower high in comparison to the previous kind of high point on the 5 minute, then it ain't shit. Show you what I'm talking about here. So let me get my little arrow marker. We have this high point right here that I'm watching. And we had this nice engulfing green candle setting up here. But this stupid magnet tool, sometimes it pisses me off. If this cannot get higher than this, then it doesn't matter and it's going to fail. Know what I mean? So if this candle or the candle after gets lower than these two right here, we flushing, baby. Freaking flush. And look at where SPY just came up and ticked at. Let me get my chart back over there. Look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. What I say I was gonna do? Come up, reject the 618 fib level, just like Apple did. Now look at Apple. Apple's going red here. Now, I'm not saying we're going bearish. I'm not a bear. I mean, sometimes I am. It depends on the day. I'll short the hell out of stuff, but I'm not blind, and I'm not biased enough to be like, be so blind to one side or the other. That's when you get wrecked. Just seen it happen to some people recently. Oh, mic drop. But yeah, we'll watch. We'll watch. Just wait patiently. Do not jump in on anything. That's where people get wrecked. You just jump in on everything. Wait for the candles to show you the highest probability that it's going to go in this direction or that direction. And then you take the risk. And always keep a stop and always respect that stop, man. Respect the stop. No problem, Hardeep. No problem, man. Rhett, what you doing, man? You at work or where you at? Remember the Tesla call? What you got, man? Where's it at now? Tearing it up, huh? Amazing. Yeah, Tesla above pre-market high, but we still have 2.5 minutes. Can it close above? If the market starts to flush here, will Tesla go with it? Am I making you think? Rethink life choices? Maybe? Because this high of the day here, we have not reached yet. We could. In fact, I'll put a line on it just so we know when it reaches. Let's go. SPY going red? Kind of. It's flicking back and forth. I mean this specific candle is going red, by the way. Let's go, let's go. Rhett's at home chilling. Mamba, you see this guy, Rhett? Look at him, man. Finally joining us. Finally joining us. Let's go, baby. It might be a little delayed, Rhett. That or your scrub line deal on your live stream on the video isn't all the way to the right. You know what I mean? That way? No, this is backwards. So take the red bar and all the way this way. Know what I mean? So remember how I said this morning, every candle matters. Look. The candle, the current 5-minute candle that we're on, Fisher's at the top, already crossed, right? We obviously hit this resistance right here. If this candle cannot get over the high of the previous candle, what are we going to do? What are we going to do, George? See the high of that candle and how it's struggling to even get close to it. If we cannot get up there and break the high of the previous candle, then we are not making higher highs in this little area, right? We need to push high, high, high if we want it to keep going up. Now, if we want it to keep going down, we want to start breaking lows. But it's not a bad looking candle. I mean, you can see that they pushed it down to here, and then the buyers pushed it back up. So there's definitely buyers there. But are they strong enough to start breaking it up? And watch this. It could totally flip and act different now because you see how that overlap, that New York session and London session overlap just switched? Watch. These New Yorkers, they're freaking bears, man. Watch them. Watch. They'll shove it one way real hard now because they don't have the opposing volume. Just like yesterday. Let's look. Yesterday, what happened? London session, New York session, going at it. London session closed, and it's only New York. Whoop. Finally got to go up. Let's see what they do this time. And that might be why the volume died down right here. You know, London session coming to an end. On their side, they're like, hey, market's coming to an end. Less participants, you know. Dun, 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 dun. What you gonna do, baby? If we break these lows, I'm going short. Apple below VWAP. Look out. Look out, baby. Look out. Here they come. Yeah, I love the way Tesla's moving, man. Good volume, good trading back and forth. That's what I want to see. Like, I don't even care if anything, like, overall in daily chart goes up or down. I just want to see nice trading back and forth. You know, good movements where people can make money from the bottom to the top, top to the bottom, bottom to the top, top to the bottom. Like, let's just get some good trading, man. AMD trades good like that a lot of the times. Uh-oh, bear signal coming in hot, baby. Let's get the phone ready for a short position. Let's go. Who wants it? Apple coming below VWAP. 12 minutes left before it close on the 15 minute. But if we flop to the 5 on Apple, do we have a 5 minute candle closed underneath VWAP? Not yet. 2 minutes. And we could. Still some buying pressure there. Still some buying pressure. What you gonna do, New York session? It's on you. It's on you. What you's gonna do? Come on, New York. What you's got? Show us what you's about. Bear signal popping in, flashing on Apple here, 5 minute. Definitely lower high, lower high. Luna's collapsing again. No. All the people that got back in Luna at the bottom. I've seen a bunch of people on YouTube. Buy Luna now. Buy Luna. Very big discount. Blah, 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 blah. Rip. Tesla's holding up above the 15-minute 200 EMA very well. I wouldn't short Tesla just yet. Don't count out, baby girl. Spy on Apple, on the other hand, failed. The buyers failed to come up and at least test the highs of the morning. Tesla, in my opinion, tested the highs. You know. How about that Amazon, Rhett? How about it? Where's it at? Where are we at, Rhett? Where are we at? She's working. She's working on it. She trying. Yeah, you see that heavy resistance that it has up here too. At 2275 or so. Dun, 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 dun. Look out, baby, look out. Dow testing that level. See if we can get this break here. What you got, baby? There you are. There you are. Wait for a little pullback on it. Little pullback, little pullback, little pullback. And snipe it. Sit back and wait. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, now she coming into profit, baby. On which chart? On the Dow, I have 50 and the 20, and then the 200. On the stonks, I typically just have the 200. Sometimes I look at the 20 on the stocks too, but mainly I just want to see where the 200 is on the 15 minute. It comes into play a lot of the times. And then VWAP, of course. Yeah, so like I use green and red because in your head it's like, okay, green is over red, so we're bullish. If red is over green, then we're bearish. You know, just Just like when you say it to yourself, you know. You're like, okay, red's over green. Red, baby. I'm always doing it, Hardeep. All the time, man. Calling me out. I got the coffee and the vape. All the time, baby. Oh, this some bearish music, huh? Ooh, got pulled back up. Look out. Look out, baby. There's some buyers coming in here. Trying to save it. Trying to fake us out there. We'll see. We'll go ahead and slap in our 50-point stop. 420 to 470. Ba 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 ba. See what they got. Oh, I see. Apple touched off on the low from yesterday. Didn't tell us right here. The little pin, 147.52 was the high. It was the high of yesterday. So they're trying to save it at the high of yesterday. We'll see if they can play Captain Save-A-Ho for too long. No, sir. That's why. Okay, look. When you see how I was looking for that position at the break of this level, because it's a low over here, right? I didn't enter at the break. I waited for it to break and then pull back. And as it pulled back, it tested, but it was a little bit above. So my position ended up being a little bit above that line. But the sellers were able to push it lower, showing you that the sellers are still stronger than the buyers. And we gotta think about so far what, let me find my little drawing tool here. So far what have we been showed all day? High, lower high, right here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now let's go make a lower low, baby. Honestly, I don't think we'll make a lower low. I mean, maybe. I mean, we got the Feds talking coming up. Who knows? Who knows, man? Who knows? Who knows? But I want to see Apple get below. I want to see Apple get below the high of yesterday. Got hit in the face by a fly or something, man. What the hell going on over here? Stupid little son of a bitch. Let's go back over here. So Vision showing us right here. If we hover over our pin right here, 147.52 was the high of yesterday. 516. That's obviously yesterday. I want to see Apple below that. I think that's what's trying to save the Dow right now. Zach, I don't think it's going to come up. I just don't know if we'll put in a new low on the day. Because anybody that looks around and knows what's going on knows that we have the Feds talking here in a little bit. So that's probably why there's not very much volume right now. The London-New York overlap just ended. And so we have less volume even on that end now. So we'll see. We will see. These are some great wick projections though on the Dow. For bullish momentum, bullish volume buyers, like these wicks right here are beautiful. Like that's showing some good buying power out of the buyers. You never want to hold too much of a bias one side, because it gets you wrecked more times than it helps you. So like I'll go bullish, I'll go bearish. It doesn't matter. Like whatever the chart's showing me. You know, I like the short side better because the moves are usually greater and faster because everybody's bailing out. But that doesn't mean I'm like only going to look for shorts or just think every candle shows me that it's going to be a short position, because you get blinded and get wrecked. Rickety wrecked. Did our music stop? No, it's still there. Still going. And like Apple's really holding up the high from yesterday very well. People are trying to buy it up there. Yeah, there's just so much low volume right now, which is understood. I mean, let's see if we get SPY to break VWAP, we'd be looking better on our short here. But I got a 50-point stop. If we hit it, we hit it. I win more trades than I lose, so can't win them all. And I got such a big cushion from yesterday because I more than doubled my account yesterday. So every trade I've taken today on the Dow, I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, all winners. So I gotta get one loss today, right? But we'll see. I mean, right now the 5-minute. I mean, it's gonna be fighting this 200 EMA. It's fighting. Let's see. I think, and I'm talking about the Dow, by the way, on the 5-minute. So it's fighting the 200 EMA and the 20 EMA at the same time. Apple might come back and test VWAP here. Put Apple back on the 15 so we don't get faked out or nothing. Let's see. And it might be putting in a trend line too. Apple, which happens a lot. It's probably not perfect, but just so it's there. Oh, what were we doing on SPY there? Yeah, I got stopped out there on the Dow. Tesla going for that high day again. You got it, girl. Go, go, go. Don't stop now. Yeah. What's up to me, Cash? I must have missed that part. I'm sorry. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Look out, look out. I think it's not possibility too many people be rich. All of this fact job. Anybody could be rich, man. If you don't think it's possible, then you're just holding yourself back. Literally anybody can do it. Anybody. Boy, what's some indecisive candles, huh? Sorry, I didn't mean to cough in your guys' ears. How about them candles? Boy, it is a battle right here, huh? Jeez Louise. Oh, nice big stick on the Dow. I got long after it showed me that engulfing green candle there. Right here, baby. It's all about the engulfings, baby. Right there. After that girl closed right there, I got long on it. It stopped me out on that short. I swapped her to long. And we're going to see if we can get over this high right here. If we can get over this stop, yeah. If we can get over that high right there. Let's see about it. Come on, baby. You got it. There's a tick above it right there. There's another tick above it higher. Let's go, baby. Shoot it. Let's go, baby girl. See if we can break that high. I like it, man. I'm liking it a little more now. Josh and Rhett memes are the best. I mean, would you just fucking look at it? Would you just fucking look at that bull signal down there, son? Look at it. Just look at it. Link in the description, man. Get you some. Let's see if we got a 15-minute bull. Yeah, baby. 2 seconds left to the close. Show them where we're going. To the moon. No, that's wrong way, man. Profit taking. Now we'll give her a minute to stretch some legs. We're looking good. We are looking good, Holmes. Yeah, push them up, baby. Push them up. I'm curious if that level was like the three whatever fib. No. Close. Let's go. Party, baby, party. Party. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. Bring it. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Be right back. All right. They're trying to push it up again here. Let's go. Another high on the Dow compared to the recent high of the last candle. Let's go. Keep pushing, baby. Keep pushing. Let's go, baby. Tesla pumping. Yeah, new high day on Tesla, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Love it. Ticking a little bit higher here on the Dow. Up about 60 points. Let's go, baby. Yeah. I like it, Cash. I like it. Let's see. We'll see what happens. I'll probably be out before then anyway. Where we going, baby? Where we go? To the moon. Go ahead and lock in those gains, cause I did not like that candle on Tesla. Lock them in, baby. I'm actually not falling asleep. I'm looking at my phone. I forgot there's a reason why we did that. Dun, 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 dun. Everyone that subscribes. I wonder if we look at the 5-minute. See if this is a failed bull flag break. Yeah, it kind of looks like it, huh? Look, Heisman. Spy's trying to work itself up there. Apple is failing miserably. Yeah, that's a good push out of Spy. Very choppy, very choppy. Very low volume. But anticipating the whole Fed chat. Maybe we can get some volume after that. Clowns. Ruining my trading day. Just ruining it. I need some volumes, man. Call it right here. Yeah, let's go, Spy. Let's go. Spy is likely to get sold off around here, but we'll see. We see, we see. Oof. Where you going, Tesla? Where you going? Wrong way, Gur. Wrong way. Yep. That might be a wrap. You see how they failed to break that out. Sellers took back control at this supply zone. Rough. Thank you guys for hitting the like button. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Loving it, loving it. You pumping? You pumping, Mamba? It's a call for $2 loss. They tried, man. They tried. They might try again. Who knows? But
Boy, them buyers are weak, huh? I'm gonna tear out of here in about 10 minutes. People, smash the like button. Smash it, smash it, smash it. Break it, break it. Damn, the mail come this early? She must be ripping it. Hitting the mattress. Let's go, baby, let's go. Damn, no shit. Litecoin up, huh? Right on, right on. I'm front running a short position right here on the Dow. Shh, don't tell anybody. Right there. Smack the trend line. We're up a little bit right now in the supply zone. See how weak those buyers are on the way up? So weak. 5-minute Fisher extended. It's kind of risky. I mean, I'm front running the hell out of it, but slap that trend line in there and we'll see what happens. Mamba says 4,500 end of week on SPX. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Bro, if I could get into in and out of options contracts as fast as I can get in and out of positions on MT4, I would murder him. I'm an MT4 trading fool. But it just sucks because I can't. One button in on option contracts, one button out. Like, I mean, I guess you could if you already had your strike and stuff picked, but I mean, and plus, like, I need to be able to stick a stop loss point on the chart, not just, hey, if I buy this contract for 300, I want to stop out if it reaches 200. I need to put a point on the chart to where if price hits it, it closes. And Webull won't let me do that. That I know of, anyway. If anybody knows of a way, let me know. If anybody uses TOS, can we do that on Thinkorswim? Put a point, like a line on the chart, you know? Like if I bought some calls down here on SPY, and I said, hey, I want to put a line here or stop here, and this is my stop, and price comes down to it, will it stop me out of those options contracts? Because on Webull that I know of, I can't do it. Yeah, I know. I'd like to be able to. That's all I'm saying. put a line, like an area, like a line area on the chart, and it stops you out if you hit it with options. It's got to be with options contract because I don't really do shares. Damn, I thought you could on TOS. Well, yeah, it's called a stop loss. I use it on MT4, but from the only stop losses I've seen on Webull, where I trade options, you're able to put a stop loss, but it's a dollar amount, like a premium amount. Like if the premium of this contract gets to X, it'll stop you out. But I want to put a stop on a certain point of the chart, not just a dollar amount of the premium value. No shit. I'm gonna have to check into it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check into that. I'm gonna buy like a cheap ass contract somewhere. Yeah, I can put a stop on the chart on MT4. What do you mean? Wow, what are you trying to say, man? Calling me a liar? Look, I got a short position right now. I'll show you. Can't really see it, but no, probably too bright. But if you hold that right there, and then you hit modify, you can enter your stop right here, and it'll show up on your chart. That's how you do it on MT4 on a phone, anyway. On desktop on MT4, it's super simple. Super simple on MT4 desktop. To swing on SPY, I'm not going to swing SPY. You crazy, man. If I looked to like swing something, I would definitely wait till the end of the day. I'd wait till like maybe even an hour before close, and then check the daily chart and see what it's looking like. Check the 4 hour, the 1 hour, see what those are looking like. See if they tell you bearish or bullish. And that's how like you kind of swing something overnight. That'll tell you if you should swing one way or the other usually. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Shotgun. The contract price. You can put a stop on the contract price. Like if I buy it for 300 and I want to stop out at 200, like yeah, it'll stop you out that way. But I want to be able to put an area, like I was saying. Okay, so here on Tesla, let me grab my box. So if I bought Tesla calls down here because I seen all this wick rejection, right? And I bought this engulfing right here. I want to be able to, on the chart, like I can on MT4, put a stop here. I want to be able to put a stop right here. And if it comes into it, I stop out. Or at least be like a price of the stock itself, like if 727 even. Yeah, let me check it out. Yeah, that's the premium value, I believe. That's what that looks like. Shotgun, that looks like the premium value. Boy, Tesla taking a hit, huh? Damn it, Tesla. What's wrong with you, girl? What's wrong with you? It's alright. I thought that you could on TOS. I thought I'd seen somebody do it before, but maybe not. Dun, 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 dun. All right, everybody.
It's noon. I'm gonna go eat some lunch, handle some stuff, do the damn thing. Thank you all for hitting that like button. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the morning. Or in the Discord. If you're in the Discord, I'll probably be in there for a little bit, chatting it up somewhere. See you guys. Have a good, what is today? Tuesday. Have a good Tuesday and a good afternoon. Make you some money out there.